back. I've been a fan of you
This
since I
is
was
not
2.
a troll. I've been a fan of you,
Since
of
I was 7.
your company,
You
since
don't want to
I
say 2
was
because you don't
like
know how old you
7.
plan on.
And I'm now. No. And I'm
How do you
now
get Leroy
wondering.
Jenkins? I'm gonna get Leroy Jenkins.
You know he was a real person?
Yeah, I know. Obviously.
I. If
Okay, why
you
do I camp
can
in Ashburn? Because I'm
support
getting no broken bones.
me back and make an advertisement about the new upcoming Frenzy
Here comes the man.
Entertainment. You can follow me on Instagram
You're not
at
gonna do it.
OMFG. It's Frenzy.
You won't. No, you didn't.
Or
Oh my
YouTube
god.
at Frenzy Entertainment. I have some sick gameplay. Uprising on my channel. You should really check it out.
I hope you know
I
like
know.
200 fucking Blizzard employees see that.
That's cool. This is
You're not gonna submit it.
and
You're not gonna
on
submit it. I know you.
twitch.tv/Frenzy Entertainment.
Alex.
Go ahead and hit that follow
Sub button.
button. It's free. I may not have a subscription button, but you do.
Say, I'm gonna main your mom next season. Say, I'm gonna name your mom next season.
But you do. If I get banned, I'm just gonna play PTR. So that's really not that big of a deal. It's free. I may not. And
if you ban me, I'm gonna go play PTR. So don't do it,
subscribe again if you did this. Okay? The troll is real. Yeah.
You might not want to do that. You won't press the button, and you press the button.
This is where I cut the video off, and thank you. Really help y'all.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram.
I'm gonna send y'all to the next cut where they respond. I'm turning the stream on, or not the stream. Oh yeah, I was turning on video, dude. GM just texted me. It's part of the video. All right.
Okay, cool. I killed him. We're done. GG.
Tell me good luck. What a good person. The undergeared life.
Bam.
Bam, bitch.
Oh, what a pussy.
I got you. I'll kick the next one. Oh, no. Dude, did you know what I sent Blizzard? Or you can just check the video out when it's made. I'll tell you as we go, though. Boom, bitch. Killing blow.
Damn, look at my damage.
Yeah. One second, let me talk to this guy. Alright, we won. Thanks. Thanks for the luck.
How does a GM want to talk to you?
You'll see in the video. You'll see. When it's made.
Why do you look like you're playing WoW in a tennis court?
What?
Why does it sound like you're playing WoW in a tennis court?
What do you mean?
There's literally like a ball hitting a fucking door sound. It's okay, I don't care. Hey, do you suggest any add-ons, by the way?
You don't fuck with me. You know what you use. Gladius, Recount.
No.
DR trackers.
Don't use Recount. I don't.
I use it for like.
You know,
I use it for RBGs. I need to
I just got add-ons like 2 days ago. Like,
I used
let's
Bartender
see.
4, Gladiators, Super Guild Invite from a long time ago. I don't really need it anymore. DR Checkers, Boss Mods. Dude, this dude told me he uses Grid. I don't know if he uses Grid. Like, I know he uses it, but
What's
it makes your
what's
party
Grid?
frame. It makes your party frames like raid frames, and it shows like the percent of health, and it shows you how much they're dropping.
No,
I
it's
don't
so dumb.
know. What?
That sounds so dumb.
Nah, not at all. I'm not really curious. Dude, holy shit, dude. The GM knows who I am.
He said Frenzy Entertainment.
Dude, holy shit, dude. This is crazy.
What is he saying?
Dude, yo, check it out in the video. Don't forget to leave a like. Logan taught me how to do this.
You're telling him who Logan is, but he doesn't know who the fuck Logan is.
No, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm saying Logan taught me how to support.
R1 Disc Priest looking for 2s, need carries. R1.
Oh god. Rank 1 Disc Priest. Hmm. Dude, GMs just take forever to type. I don't know why.
So what is he saying? Like, tell me the conversation.
Alright, so basically I said, yo, what's up? He said, what's up? You know, I said, give me a second. We're doing an arena. And he was like, alright, good luck. And we won. Dylan, did you get my Fanta? What did you? Alright, whatever. He started asking about Frenzy Entertainment. I said, yeah. I said, is that bad? He said, not at all. And he started asking who I am. I swear to God, if I get disconnected and banned. I feel like he's opening my account just to click ban.
Michael said he hit 2190.
Oh, that's cool. That's definitely rank 1.
No, but he's never hit 2K before.
Dude, he doesn't even have 1750. You know that, right? The achievement? He doesn't have enough.
He's hit it on a.
He probably hit it on a healer. No. You know Alicord? You remember Alicord from Area 52? He bought that paladin from him, and he plays on it. And I know he did because Alicord has a Swift Spectral Tiger and Michael doesn't. That's how I know he did.
Okay.
Yeah, what a pleb.
He just told me he hit 2190 on a shaman, a paladin, and a warrior.
Oh, that's cool.
Yo, I'm so pissed. This kid just pissing me off. This is why I don't want to do